Donorbox review: my honest experience with this crowdfunding platform. If you've ever needed to raise money for a cause, charity or creative project, you've probably come across Donorbox. It's one of the fastest growing fundraising platforms online, but is it really as good as it looks? After using it for several campaigns, here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong. They think Donorbox is just another GoFundMe alternative. But the surprising truth is, Donorbox is built for non-profits and long-term fundraising, not one-time donations. It gives you professional tools that make recurring giving, donor tracking, and campaign management incredibly easy. When I set up my first campaign, I was impressed by how simple the process was. You can embed donation forms directly on your website or use a hosted page through Donorbox itself. The customization is flexible, from adding your logo and brand colors to setting donation tiers or recurring options. One standout feature is the recurring donation system. You can accept weekly, monthly, or yearly gifts, and the platform automatically manages renewals. It's perfect for charities or creators who rely on ongoing support. The fees are also reasonable. Donorbox takes about 1.5% per transaction, plus standard payment processor fees. It integrates smoothly with Stripe, PayPal, and even Apple Pay, which makes donating fast and frictionless. On the back end, the donor management dashboard is a real-time saver. It tracks donor details, trends, and campaign performance, everything you need to understand your supporters and grow your base. The only downside is that some advanced features, like text-to-give or integrations with CRMs, are part of the premium plan. But for small non-profits or individuals, the free tier covers most essentials. In conclusion, Donorbox is a powerful, user-friendly platform that takes the stress out of fundraising. Whether you're running a non-profit or just starting your first campaign, it gives you all the tools to raise money effectively and keep donors coming back.